Hello everyone, this is Ritu. Today we will make Christmas special drawing. The material used for making the drawing is given in the video description. So let's start. After finishing the drawing with pencil, trace the drawing with black sketch pen and erase all extra pencil lines. I am using brown sketch pen to make the hands of snowman. For coloring small area, I am using color pencil. Give peach color to Santa's face and highlight the nose with brown color. To highlight the white border, use blue color. Now use red color oil pastel to color the Santa's clothes. First color the edges so that the color does not go out and then color inside. Smudge the color with fingers. Now smudging the edges, I am using blending stump. You can also use cotton swab. For highlighting the Santa's clothes, I am using magenta color on the edges. For the Christmas tree, first use light grey color and then smudge. And then use dark green color for shading. Use sky blue color to highlight the snow and give outline with deep blue color. For sky, use shades of blue from light to dark. Color the sky in circular motion so that the color get absorbed in the paper. Take a tissue and fold like this and blend the sky with tissue. For fine areas, use a paper stump for blending so that the color don't go out. Remove extra color with scraping tool. Use grey color to highlight the beard. I am using a correction paint to make the snow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such a videos.